Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 things you need to know if you want to make money as an Airbnb host. Whether you have a spare room, a vacation home, or a whole apartment, you can turn it into a profitable business with Airbnb. But before you start, there are some things you need to consider and prepare. So let's get started. 1. Research your market. The first thing you need to do is to find out how much demand there is for your space, how much you can charge, and who your competitors are. You can use tools like AirDNA or Mashvisor to get insights into your local market, such as occupancy rates, average daily rates, and revenue potential. You can also browse other listings in your area and see what they offer, how they price, and what their reviews are like. 2. Optimize your listing. The next thing you need to do is to create a compelling listing that attracts guests and showcases your space. You need to write a catchy title, a detailed description, and upload high-quality photos that highlight the best features of your space. You also need to choose the right category, amenities, and house rules for your space. You can use tools like RankBreeze or AirReview to optimize your listing and improve your ranking on Airbnb. 3. Set a competitive price. Pricing is one of the most important factors that affect your profitability as an Airbnb host. You need to set a price that is attractive to guests, but also covers your costs and earns you a profit. You also need to adjust your price according to the season, the day of the week, and the demand in your area. You can use tools like Wheelhouse or Beyond Pricing to automate your pricing and maximize your revenue. 4. Provide a great guest experience. The key to success as an Airbnb host is to provide a great guest experience that leads to positive reviews and repeat bookings. You need to communicate clearly and promptly with your guests, provide them with all the information they need before and during their stay, and offer them extra services or amenities that make their stay more comfortable and enjoyable. You also need to keep your space clean, safe, and well maintained. 5. Manage your bookings efficiently. As an Airbnb host, you need to manage your bookings efficiently and avoid any issues that could affect your reputation or income. You need to keep track of your availability, update your calendar regularly, and sync it with other platforms if you list on multiple sites. You also need to have a cancellation policy that protects you from last-minute cancellations or no-shows. 6. Automate your tasks. One of the challenges of being an Airbnb host is that it can be time-consuming and stressful to handle all the tasks involved in running your business. You need to respond to inquiries, confirm bookings, send check-in instructions, collect payments, coordinate cleaning, etc. 7. Follow the rules and regulations. Another challenge of being an Airbnb host is that you need to follow the rules and regulations that apply to your location and type of property. You need to check if you need a license or permit to operate as a short-term rental host, if you need to pay taxes or fees on your income, if you need to comply with any zoning or safety codes, etc. You also need to respect the rights and expectations of your neighbors and guests. 8. Protect yourself from risks. As an Airbnb host, you also need to protect yourself from risks that could damage your property or harm your guests. You need to have adequate insurance coverage that covers liability, property damage, theft, etc. You also need to have security measures in place such as locks, cameras, alarms, etc. So these are the 8 things you need to know if you want to make money as an Airbnb host. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.